Sanita, cumpleaños feliz. Wey.
Someone's birthday. Hi. Good morning. What's up? What's happening, everyone? Welcome to Bira. We're at the Cosmo Bungalows, and it is day 2 of our dive. Another 3 dives today, and the waters are somewhat calm for now. Hopefully, it's not that bad. And there's Gid.
Hi, good morning.
Gid. And we are just waiting for breakfast. But yeah, check out this view. It's insane. It's so nice. Yeah. Whew. It's gonna be a hot day. It's gonna be nuts. But it's gonna be fun.
We have to use a sunblock.
Yeah, it's gonna be sunblock day. Here are some of the owners, the workers. And hi. Yeah.
Anget dua. One of hot tea, but not really hot.
Yeah, not really hot.
Yeah.
And pancakes.
Oh ya. Makanannya nanti ya? Oh ya. Makannya kalau mau udah.
So this is breakfast. Choice of pancake, chocolate and banana. And or you can get egg, fried, scrambled, omelet with toast or rice. Is that rice? I think that's rice. I don't know. But it's included. So yeah, fill our tummies up, and then we can go scuba dive. Scuba dive. Yeah. All right, I'll see you guys in the water. What's happening? We are just finishing up our service interval, and we are about to go to a second dive. And this is the area. Well, not the area, but you can see very nice limestone. And another crazy dive. I kind of lost myself again.
I'm not a good buddy. I lost him.
Lost me again.
I'm so sorry.
I gotta learn how.
You.
Yep, gotta hook me up. I gotta learn how to kick. My leg is lazy. Lazy leg. So gotta fix that up, and then don't get lost and not use so much air. Bad buddy. Bad buddy. Bad buddy right here. But yeah, so far so good. I last longer than yesterday's dive. You. I'm gonna hook onto you. Come back.
Okay.
But we did see 4 sharks, and then a lot of other things. So pretty cool. Bad buddy. No, she's good. She's a pro. Dive master assistant. Right here. Yeah. All right. I think we're gonna get ready, and then I don't know where we're diving around here again. What's this area? Is this Goat Island? This is Goat Island. Yeah, we're back at Goat Island. And then, I don't know. Double.
Promise I will hook him.
Alright. I'll see you guys later. Bye. We are waiting for lunch. We're gonna have some fish. Well, I think it's go fish, whatever. At Lukang Island. That's why we are here. Just with that crew. And, yeah, we're just gonna chill here for a bit and then have one more dive. Red's having her coconut. She has pimples. Beauty face. Beauty face. Getting tan. But yeah, we are just here until our third dive starts. If I get the drone up, go up and down. But we saw a lot of sharks. I don't know how many sharks we saw, but there were a lot of white tip sharks just swimming around. And yeah, rice, veggies, a lot of tomatoes, soup, rice. That's okay. That's, wow. Oh, you have egg too. Oh wow. Oh, what's that? Sambal? Sambal? Alright. Look at all that coconut juice. What? Alright, we're stranded on an island. What island is this? Oh no, here we're having lunch here. I'm not sure what. Someone's birthday. Someone's birthday. Someone's birthday. Bye. Hey, Daddy, what island is this? Daddy, what island is this? What island? What name? Yukon.
Same yesterday.
Oh, Luke. I thought I said Lukang. Or Luke. Okay. Luke and Lu. Okay. Back from our 3 dives, and it was actually very awesome today. Oh, so satisfied. I didn't actually record anything. You know, I'm still having some diving issues, so I didn't record my second and third dive. But Ged and the dive instructor recorded did some video recordings. So it's on my GoPro and on his camera. So eventually I'll get them and you'll see. But all 3 dives we managed to see white tip sharks. I think we saw a total of maybe 10, 15 sharks. There was one where that we swam into the cave, and inside there was a bunch of baby sharks swimming around, all white tips. And they were just swimming around, so we managed to go into the cave. Just took a little peek, and then we came back out. But yeah, so I just cleaned up, rinsed out all my gear, and we're just gonna chill for a bit. Maybe head down to the beach again or the patio, get some smoothies, and just relax for the rest of the day. It's been awesome. Dive Master has been giving me good tips, lots to think about and improve on. Because in order for me to get to Dive Master level, there's actually a lot to figure out. So I need to figure out my kicking, my breathing, my buoyancy. Well, actually, I sort of got the breathing done today. The last 4 dives. So I managed to kind of get used to the new diving techniques, but I just have to learn how to kick better and get the buoyancy in check, because I'll need it. So yeah, so Ged's taking a shower or cleaning up, and that's pretty much for today. I'll maybe take some photos, look at some videos, and put some snapshots for you guys to see. And I'll catch you later tonight, maybe. I think we're staying in here for dinner, just outside there. Yeah. What else is there? Oh, I should show you the dead salamander in my fan. Kind of gruesome, I don't know. Maybe tomorrow, but it's tomorrow's our last day of staying in this bungalow. This is Ged's bed. My bed's upstairs over there. So tomorrow's our last day here, and then we move out to the Ocean View bungalows, which overlooks to the ocean. So yeah, we're gonna check in again, and that's it. Enjoy the rest of the day, and then it's a 5-hour ride back into Makassar, and then I'm flying into Bali to meet up with the rest of the crew, Vivian, and then Ace, and then maybe Tammy. Yeah, and I don't know. Looks like I'm burnt. I haven't put any suntan lotion all this week, so it's pretty bad. I don't know. I know my face actually is not. It doesn't feel tender, but yeah, everything's good. Everything's good. Life is good. And yep. Peace out. I'll see you guys a little bit later. Bye.